So how we generated 1.3 million in just a matter of 2 months. So story time, I have encountered a client from Canada wherein, yun nga, she told me na, Sir Alan, pwede pong ibenta nyo yung condominium namin. So, she asked help sa akin kasi yun nga na merong nagsabi sa kanya, a relative who is not knowledgeable in real estate. Sabi na, mali yan, hindi ka kikita dyan, ganyan. So, nagkaroon siya ng negative thoughts about dun sa relative niya na sinabi na, hindi magandang mag-invest sa real estate. So, nakinig siya to someone who is not knowledgeable. And then, she asked my help na, yun nga, na ibenta na lang yung condominium. Of course, as your top realtor, sinabihan ko yung client. Pagkasabi ko sa kanya, Ma'am, may tatanong po ako. Yung po bang relative nyo, is she knowledgeable when it comes to property investing? Alam niya ba kung ano yung real estate market trend sa binili nyong property? So, hindi naman. So, kumbaga, nagkaroon siguro siya ng bad experience with other developer. But it was a challenge for me na, sige ma'am, patunayan natin, you invested because, yun nga, nakikita kayo. You will gain profit through capital appreciation. So, the client bought a condominium sa amin and then at a pre-selling stage, and since cash payment yun, no, nagkaroon siya ng huge discounts wherein after a month, yun nga, na gusto niya nang ibenta, the value of the condominium went up. So, sige ma'am, benta natin tong gantong presyo. So, yun nga, na nag-mark up kami kasi the market value already went up. So, there's a buyer who is willing to buy the property kasi reasonable na mababa pa din yung presyo kasi nga, it's below the market value. So, therefore, ayun, meeting of the minds between the buyer and si seller, yung client namin. So, yun, nag-consummate yung transaction and we were able to generate 1.3 million net profit after all the commission and other expenses involved. So, that's how we generated profit through investing sa real estate. So, ganun lang din naman kadali na you buy at a lower price at a pre-selling stage, and once na tumas na yung value, and so that you could resell it, no? So, dun ka kikita sa real estate. So, I hope wag kayong ma-discourage for those people who are telling, risky dyan, malulugi ka dyan. So, you just have to proper knowledge when it comes to real estate market. Na, yun nga, wag kayong papa-apekto sa mga negative na tao. Lalo na kung hindi naman sila knowledgeable sa sinasabi nila. So, you have to speak to the right person, especially for those real estate brokers who are really knowledgeable sa real estate market. So, I hope you've learned today and see you on our next